Good evening. Today is November 6, 2023 Monday, and here are the 7 p.m. SL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City, Underlock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 6, 2023 Monday. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Monday, November 6, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of November 6, 2023 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.